Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl AB. Welcome back to my channel. Listen, I just came home from church. Your girl is rushing. I'm rushing right now. I just got home. I gotta be back at church at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and it's 5:15. But I came home to a package. Hold on. This here is an Amazon package, Amazon Prime package. Can you guys guess what it is? I mean, I don't even know what it is. Honestly, I came home to surprise, and I'm like, oh my god, it's Sunday. Packages come on Sunday? No, not usually, but I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut. Can I rip this? Rip it. Like Medea said, rip it. Can I even rip this? Let's see. I think I could. I see the dotted lines. I see the dotted lines. I see the dotted lines. Y'all, it's hot here. It is hot. I'm rushing. I literally had to jump. I could rip it. Perfect. Guys, guess what it is? You guys already saw what it is. But guys, this is going to be a hair review from Longqi. I'm saying it right. Longqi hair. Okay, so before we even open the box, this is clearly my first time even opening it. This is my first time receiving hair from this company. I never really heard about this company before, but I did see videos about this company before online. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box up. This box is from, what you call it? This hair is from Amazon, clearly, because you guys saw Amazon Prime. And this is Belizean. I got a 12-inch 3-part closure, 14, 16, 18 bundle, and this is 7A unprocessed, you know, unprocessed virgin hair, y'all. Okay, and now something about this length now is I'm about to get real excited because, oh yeah, and it came with lashes. I usually don't wear the lashes. I usually give them away. I'm very excited to open this hair because I've been feeling to get my hair on I've been feeling to get my hands on some natural wave hair. I don't know if you guys remember the hair Leah J had, but like it was curly, but it was not curly, but it looked like it. Listen, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna just show y'all, okay? But I've been feeling to get my hand on this hair, so I hope and I pray that this hair don't do me bad. I hope this hair treats me good. So but we're gonna be opening the 18-inch, and I got a frontal with it, so that's even better, so you guys can style it. Like I told you guys before, I'm not with the closures no more. This is the closure. I don't really like closures no more because I can't really do anything with it. If I want to go like this, oop, it's a wig. Yeah. So, we're going to take this off. Did she give me the wrong pattern? This looks like loose wave to me. Nah, it's natural wave. I'm bugging. Did I order natural wave? I don't know. It's so much loose wave, neck wave, deep wave, this wave, that wave. I don't know. I get confused. But, yeah, this is the wave I've been looking for, y'all. It's like not too curly and it's not too straight. Like the curls are there, but the curls are not there. You understand what I'm saying? Does that make sense to you guys? But so far, y'all, the hair feels good. No shedding. Okay, Amazon, talk to me real nice. No shedding. It doesn't smell like anything. It smells like hair. Like, yeah, it smells like hair. And I'm pretty sure this reacts great to water, okay? I know, like, I'm pretty sure if I add water to it, it would be even more pretty. Like, it would be more cool. And it's real bouncy. Real bouncy, okay. I want to open it. Y'all, I'm kind of feeling to make the wig now because I know I've only been wearing this wig for like a week now. But I get tired of hairstyles real quick. And that's bad. But y'all, I am fiending to put this hair in my head just because it's the wave I always wanted. It's 18. You already know it comes all the way down on your girl. That's crazy. This is my mirror right here. 18 comes all the way down, basically touching my butt. And y'all, I'm excited about this hair. And I'm excited about this hair. And I just want to say shout out to Longqi Hair for picking me and choosing me to do this video and send me this hair. Thank you for this opportunity because I've been feeling for hair like this, and you guys were the first to even give me this type of wave, this type of hair. And shout out to you guys. But guys, right now I'm about to hurry up and go and eat because the girl is hungry, man. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on how I feel about the hair. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do a second video of me making a frontal wig. I'm not sure yet. I may do something a little different with this wig. Yeah, because I found a different way to install a frontal wig. So I will come back featuring this hair on how I install this wig. But that is it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Like, why you guys not commenting? Don't be scared. I'm here to hear all y'all requests. But without further ado, also don't forget to check out the company. The link into this exact hair and everything will be down below. And guys, it's very affordable, y'all. This hair is real affordable, okay? But that is it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. Call him up for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling all the shows.